Hi, this is John Breyer. I'm at World Gym Pensacola, and we're going to talk a little bit today for a few minutes about the Vitality Booth and why it's good for you. We've talked previously about the components and that sort of thing, but today we're just going to talk quickly about what it does and how it makes you feel better, perform better, look better, etc. As you can see on the booth itself, there's a variety of things that are noted: immunity boost, anti-aging, respiratory health, cellular health, increased vigor, athletic performance, weight loss, mood enhancement, pain reduction, muscle recovery, inflammation reduction, better sleep, skin health. How does the Vitality Booth help people with all of those things? Well, the two main components of a Vitality Booth are the halo generator, which disperses aerosolized medical grade sodium chloride salt into the air, which people breathe and which it lands on their skin, and then also integrated red light panels, which are actually classified as FDA Class II medical devices. The spectrum of red light that is generated inside the Vitality Booth is specifically generated in order to increase cellular health. It stimulates the mitochondria. That's actually why we use mito red lights, thus the name mitochondria, inside all of our Vitality Booths. So the combination of those two things, the halo therapy and the red light therapy, interact together to make both of them better than they are individually. We actually have a US patent filed on the way the two interact together. It's NASA has done a study. They call it the direct effect, and really what it is how salt crystals floating in the air interact with light energy and light waves that are also floating in the air. So when you're inside of a Vitality Booth, the red light waves are coming at you and the salt particles are floating through the air and they interact with each other. The red light is reflected off of the salt in a lot of different directions, hundreds of thousands or millions of different little microbursts. That's the refractory principle that the salt brings to the table. And then the salt also absorbs some of that red light energy. It dries the salt as it's floating through the air. That makes the salt even more absorptive than it normally would be, and that's the key driver to why halo therapy is healthy for you. So, from an immunity boost perspective, the red light stimulates the mitochondria. It makes your cells healthier. It builds up ATP. That's going to help build your immune system. It's also, from an anti-aging perspective, that red light therapy inside the Vitality Booth, it builds up collagen in your face. It increases skin elasticity. There's lots of studies on it. You can research it. But essentially, if you use a Vitality Booth regularly, you can see up to 2 times the amount of collagen fibers in your face than you would normally have at your age. And your skin elasticity can go up, over 50%. So what really happens is your fine lines and wrinkles are filled in from underneath as the collagen boosts up. You look younger, you look better. From a respiratory health perspective, people have been using halo therapy for many years all around the country, all around the world for respiratory health and wellness. People use halo therapy to treat COPD, cold, cough, flu, sinusitis, allergies, asthma, those sorts of things. So if you're an athlete, or if you're a person that suffers from respiratory illnesses, you want your respiratory system to be operating at peak efficiency. The salt that you breathe in, it absorbs excess mucus and moisture in your lungs, and your respiratory system makes it work better. So whether or not you are just someone that has no interest in improving your athletic capabilities, but you do suffer from sinusitis or cold, cough, flu, allergies, you might see benefits from it. From that perspective, if you are an athlete, a lot of the Vitality Booths come with integrated cardio equipment. So while you're in there, you're exercising, you're going to build up greater efficiency of your respiratory system because you are going to be taking more deep breaths, because as you exercise, your body needs more oxygen. You're going to be breathing deeper naturally, and so through your Vitality Boost session, you're going to be inhaling more salt, more red light being absorbed in those salt crystals that are going into your respiratory system, and you're going to see an increased performance when you're on the athletic field, whether you're a baseball player, a hockey player, football player, lacrosse, soccer, volleyball, whatever it might be, track, you're going to see increased athletic performance. Weight loss, there's studies out there that show when you are exercising in a red light environment, you can burn almost double the amount of calories that you would burn doing the same exercise for the same time at the same level. So let's say you're riding a recumbent bike and it says that you burned 150 calories. Do that same 150 calorie burn in the Vitality booth and you could burn 200 to 225 calories. So in addition to getting the benefits of the red light and the halotherapy, while you're exercising, you're also going to burn more calories. So a lot of people use the Vitality boost just for weight loss. Mood enhancement, seasonal affective disorder, that's something very common in large population base where people live in northern climates. They don't get enough light. There are a lot of studies out there that show when you put yourself in an environment where you can get light and red light included, that you're going to increase your mood and increase the way that you feel. Pain reduction, red light therapy, inflammation reduction, they go hand in hand. So if you have nagging injuries, wounds that need to be healed, going into a Vitality booth could definitely help with those things as well. Muscle recovery, of course, if you're someone who works out at the gym a lot, or again, you're just someone who's training for different sporting events, you're putting a lot of strain on your body. Everyone knows that you have to recover post-workout. Again, by using a Vitality boost session post-workout, you're optimizing your cells to begin to heal. You're just giving your body inflammation reduction, and you're going to recover better, faster, which is going to allow you to train harder and perform better. Better sleep, skin health, that all comes with it as well. From a skin health perspective, the red light therapy has been shown to increase the tone of your skin and the overall appearance of it. And the halotherapy, people that have psoriasis, eczema, acne, they've been using halotherapy for a long time because when that salt lands on your skin, it absorbs excess moisture, mucus, bacteria, so people can see results in the way their skin looks, feels when they use a Vitality boost. So really that's just a quick overview, but really encourage you to check out a Vitality booth on your own. Again, we're here at World Gym Pensacola, but they're being installed in fitness centers all around the country. We've got international locations going. There's Vitality booth wellness centers that are being opened around the country. There's one being opened right outside of Tampa in Valrico, Florida, Estero, Florida, Spokane, Washington. So we're really starting to see that happen. So if there's a good chance you'll be able to find a Vitality booth somewhere near you, if not right now, in the very near future. Check out vitalitybooth.com. Lots more information there. Thank you very much.